In our video today, we're going to take a look at one more multi-view, how to create these. This is really a big skill that we use frequently. So here's our front view right here, and our top view, and our right side, and our isometric view. We really got to make sense of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the front view, and I'm going to draw a cube, or it looks like some sort of rectangle, and it needs to be 1 inch tall, and the length needs to be 2 inches. Right? So 1 inch tall by 2 inches, and I'm going to extrude it 1 inch. So 1, 2, 1. So I'm going to go right here to Fusion, and I'll just start right there on the drawing, and I'll say, give me a rectangle that is 1. Notice I'm starting to use this grid a little more. So I'm using 1 by 2, right? And I'll extrude that. We said that needs to be 1 inch as well. So it looks something like that. Let's take a look at the drawing again. Looks like we've got a little chunk missing here and a little chunk missing here. Let's fix that up. So this is 0.75 long, and then it goes 0.75 from here to here. So I'm going to just draw a rectangle in there and then dimension it. I'm also going to draw a rectangle over here and then dimension it. This one looks like it's 0.5 from the bottom to here. And then 2 minus 1.5 gives me 0.5, so from there to there. Let's make that make sense. So I'm going to come back in here to the front of this thing, and I believe I'll start up here in the corner with a rectangle, right? So this does something like this. This does something like this, all right? Now I already know that one's 0.5 by 0.5, so I could just draw it now, right? And there it is, 0.5 by 0.5. I didn't do that on this one, so let's make that work. So I know from edge to here is 0.75. So let's get that out. So I'll say from here to here, that is 0.75. All right. So I just need to know from here to here, or it looks like from here to here is going to be what's given to us. Let's look. Yep. From the bottom to here is 0.75. So let's go back into Fusion. We'll click from here to here, and that is 0.75. And I'll go ahead and press the E key to get into extrude. I'll click both of these shapes. I will rotate it some so that I can actually see what I'm doing here. And I'll just drag this arrow out of there and hit OK. So that is now taken care of. Now remember, I can go up here and hit that home button, and it'll kind of make it look like it's supposed to. Now I will go ahead and I'll right click and I'll say, you know what, I need to put a physical material on there. And then I'll use ABS plastic again, and I hit close. I will also right click on here and say, you know what, let's do the properties, and let's get those physical properties. Right? So when you're done with that, that's when you'll call me over and we'll grade it.